All right, guys, so welcome to my multiplying decimals examples. I'm going to do a couple examples because I know sometimes, like, if I teach this through PowerPoint, it's a little harder to see because I can't do it like live in action. So I'm actually going to make a video about this, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it. So usually in a problem like this, we have like 17.3 times 5.92. What you want to do is, the way this problem is written is horizontal, but you want to write it vertically. That way you can do your place value at the end easier. So I'm going to go ahead and write this problem out vertically. And as you can tell, the decimals are lined up, but you don't have to have them lined up. So you can also write this as opposite 5.92 times 17.3. Either way, you're going to get the same answer. But I'm going to go ahead and do this example just because I like the way the numbers are lined up. So when you multiply decimals, you want to line up the numbers, but not the decimals. Okay? So let's go ahead and start. We're going to do old-fashioned multiplication like the way you do with whole numbers. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 9 is 27. Carry the 2. 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 2 is 17. And what I like to do, I tell my students, is I like to draw an X through the number and cross out the one on the top. That way I know that I'm done with this value. So then I'm going to go ahead and put the X here as well to remind myself that I finished one value. Moving on with the 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Carry the 1. 7 times 9 is 63. Plus 1 is 64. And 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 6 is 41. Once again, X. And now I have two X's, so I'm going to go ahead and write both of the X's. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and multiply the 1 times all my values. Go ahead and scratch out the ones I used before. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 5 is 5. And as well as you know, we add everything at the end. And now these X's that I wrote here become zeros. So I'm going to go ahead and just fill them in with zeros. Okay? And then multiply straight down. 6 down here. 7 and 4 is 11. 7 and 4 is 11. Plus 1 is 12. Plus 2. 14. 9, 10, 11, 12. 9 and 10. And then my decimal, actually, this is the most important part, goes like this. So in the very beginning, for 5.92, I had two numbers after the decimal. And then with 17.3, sorry, I had one number after the decimal. So you add that up, that's 3, right? That means our decimal value is going to be 3 spaces over from the right. 1, 2, 3. And this is my answer, 102.416. Okay, and you can go ahead and check that math for me. Multiply that, and you'll see that as the answer. Let's go ahead and that's example 1. I'm going to go ahead and show example 2 in just a bit. Thanks for watching.